Friends, we are going to see yet another public sector bank which has performed well. 2 years back, public sector banks were down the drain. But now they are coming up like anything. Many banks have performed well. Many public sector banks have performed well. See, it all depends upon interference from the politicians, government officials, etc. If they are not interfering, bank managements seem to be capable of turning around their banks to great heights. That's happening. Now we are going to see Indian Bank with reference to its Q3 FY23 results. The management consists of S.L. Jain, Managing Director and CEO, V. Shenoy Vishwanath, Executive Director, Ashwini Kumar, another Executive Director, Imran Amin Siddiqui, another Executive Director, Papia Sen Gupta, a Shareholder Director. The bank's segments include treasury operations, corporate and wholesale banking, retail banking, and all other banking operations. The corporate loans in the bank account for 44% of the total loan book, followed by agriculture 20%, MSME 18%, and retail 18%. Crop loans account for 82% of the total agricultural loans. 82% of total agricultural loans or crop loans. Home loans account for 69% of the total retail loans. So home loans, they're difficult to fail. If somebody fails, you can always confiscate his home and sell it. The bank has 3 foreign branches located at Singapore, Colombo, and Jaffna. The bank has commenced its operations at IFSC banking unit in Gujarat. International business accounts for just 2% of the total business of the bank. Digital advancement. The transactions through digital channels has increased from 16% to 29% in FY20 itself. Might have increased much further. The bank also enabled 100% of ATMs to accept EMV cards in FY20 itself. Now, what are the subsidiaries of the Indian Bank? In-Bank Housing Limited with 51% stake, In-Bank Merchant Banking Services Limited 65% stake, RRB Associates. The bank has 3 regional rural bank associates with 35% stake in each of them. Tamil Nadu Gramina Bank, Saptagiri Gramina Bank, Paduvai Bhartiyar Grama Bank. They combinedly possess around 900 branches with business of 45,000 crores. In 2019 November, Government of India was preferentially allotted 117 crores worth of equity shares at a price of 216 per share for a total consideration of 2,534 crores. Government wanted to strengthen the bank. Then Allahabad Bank, another good big bank, was merged with Indian Bank with effect from 1st April 2020. Allahabad Bank shareholders got 115 shares of Indian Bank for every 1,000 shares held by them. The bank issued 520 crores worth of equity shares to the shareholders of the merged Allahabad Bank. Now we will look at the quarterly results. Interest earned, etc. Interest earned. Interest or discount on advances or bills 8,552 crores in the latest quarter Previous quarter 7,433 crores. Year ago quarter 6,859 crores. Overall 25% year on year growth, 15% growth quarter on quarter. Income on investments 2,920 crores. Previous quarter also 2,913 crores. Year ago quarter 2,799 crores. Actually speaking, interest on advances bills is the highest item always for every bank. Now income on investments growth is 4.3% year on year and 0.2% quarter on quarter. Interest on balances with RBI is coming down. Actually balances are coming down, therefore the interest also is coming down. How much it has come down? Minus 31% year on year and minus 28% quarter on quarter. Others 185 crores, previous quarter 132 crores, year ago quarter 10 crores. So this is a very small thing. Other income is 1,926 crores, previous quarter 1,986 crores, year ago quarter 1,718 crores. Therefore there is a jump of 12% year on year and minus 3% quarter on quarter. So total interest income other than other income is 11,836 crores in the latest quarter, 10,727 crores previous quarter, 9,927 crores in year ago quarter. It means year on year growth is 19%, quarter on quarter growth is 10%. Interest expended, important item, 6,334 crores. Previous quarter 6,026 crores. Year ago quarter 5,530 crores, which means there is a year on year growth in interest expended, 14.6%, quarter on quarter 5%. Net interest income, if you come to that, 5,501 crores in the latest quarter, 4,701 in the previous quarter, 4,397 in the year ago quarter. 25% growth in the net interest income year on year, 17% growth quarter on quarter. Operating profit also has gone up by 23.5% year on year and 12% quarter on quarter. Latest is 4,082. Provisions 2,516 crores. Previous quarter 2,060. Year ago quarter 2,493. So there is a slight increase in provisions. Actually speaking, provision should come down. Net profit, when we come to that, 1,407.54 crores in the latest quarter, 1,244.71 in the previous quarter, 704 crores only in the year ago quarter, which means 100% growth in the net profit year on year, 13% growth quarter on quarter. Equity share capital is 1,245 crores right now. Reserves are reasonably good. Now NPAs, when we come to that, gross NPAs 29,484 crores. Previous quarter 31,959 crores, which means quarter on quarter basis also gross NPAs have come down. And a year ago quarter 36,562 crores. So there is a degrowth in NPAs, which is very good. Minus 19% it has come down year on year, minus 8% it has come down quarter on quarter. Now if you come to percentage of gross NPA, 86.53%. It has been coming down from 9.13% year ago to 6.53%. It will come down further probably in the quarters to come. Net NPA had come down from 2.72 a year ago to just 1% now. So 63% reduction in net NPA percentage and 33% reduction quarter on quarter, say net NPA. Return on assets has been growing 0.45 year ago, now 0.86, 91% growth is there in return on asset, which is very impressive. Now, if you look at what the brokers are saying, Motilal says it's very good. Target is 340, and MK Global says the target is 375. So like that, so many people are saying that. Now the current price is around 292.75. Volumes are 30 lakhs 44,000. 52-week range is low is 131.50, high is 310. So it might reach 310 easily now. But depends on market sentiment, always. Now if you look at its strength, the new 52-week high is 310. So it is likely to reach it based on the current results. Current results are reasonably good. Return on equity has been improving since last year. Return on assets also has been improving since last 2 years. Net profit and net profit margin have improved quarter on quarter and year on year both. Company with low debt, and company is reducing the debt further, increasing revenue every quarter for the last 3 quarters, strong cash generating ability from core business, company capable of generating net cash. Annual net profits have also been improving in the last 2 years. Promoters pledge. Do you think the government will pledge its shares? No. Zero promoter pledge. For most PSUs, that is the case. FIIs have increased their shareholding. The price movement is moderate. Now, weaknesses is last traded price is less than stop loss 1. Mutual funds have decreased their shareholding in the last quarter. But after this result, probably they will increase. ROCE is declining the last 2 years. On the positive side, brokers have, as I said just now, brokers have upgraded the recommendation on the target price. Highest recovery from 52-week lows. Decrease in NPAs, very significant decrease in NPAs in recent result. Stock with low price earning. Price earning is less than 10. So reasonably consistent financial performance, quality management and strong technical movement. As I said, if government and politicians are not interfering, PSU banks will do well. So momentum seems to be slightly bullish. And compared to Nifty 50, it has outperformed 2.59% up, whereas Nifty is down by 2.7%. It was close to becoming a multi-bagger in 1 year, and it was a multi-bagger in 3 years. Stock is seeing some large deals also. The Piotrowski score is 7, indicating financials, good financials. It is above industry median market cap. So it is a market leader in PEG ratio also, growth ratios. Shareholding pattern, if you see promoters, government retaining 79.86% continuously. Mutual funds have decreased their holding from 8.56 to 8.5. FIIs have increased their holdings from 2.6 to 3.6. That's good. Institutional investors have also increased their holding from 14.69 to 15.54. So overall, Indian Bank has done very well in the latest quarter also. Generally speaking, it has been doing well in all quarters. And the management seems to be devoted. Therefore, it is likely to improve the Indian bank fortunes much further. So let us watch. Thank you for listening, and I'll be back with you with some other very good company.